Let's talk about adjective placement. Remember that adjectives describe nouns. Okay, so we already know that nouns have a gender and a number. Okay, so they can be masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. The same with adjectives, because adjectives describe nouns, they have to agree with the noun. We say that they modify the noun, so they agree, meaning they have the same gender and number as the noun. So we have two types of adjectives. We have adjectives of quality, which most of the adjectives, when you think traditionally about adjectives, words that describe things, those are adjectives of quality. So, alto, bajo, rico, pobre, moreno, rubio, gordo, delgado, grande, pequeño, etc. Those are all adjectives of quality, and they're going to come after the noun. For example, álgebra es una clase difícil. Yo tengo una casa nueva. Algebra is a difficult class. So in English, the adjective always comes before the noun. Algebra is a difficult class being the noun. Tengo una casa nueva. I have a new house. So again, in English, new is the adjective, house is the noun, new house. So it's exactly opposite of what it is in English. The second type of adjective we have are adjectives of quantity. So they're just what they are. It can be a specific quantity, like a number, okay? But it can also be mucho, like a lot, poco, and varios. Now, again, this can be mucho, muchos, mucha, muchas, depending on what the noun is. Same with poco, poco, poca, pocos, pocas. See? And then varios, we really only use this in the plural form, varios or varias. So, for example, let's look at these different uses of adjectives of quantity. Este semestre tengo 4 clases. Tengo 4 clases. Mi amiga tiene 2 perros. That's a specific number before the noun. En esta clase hay mucha tarea, because tarea is feminine, mucha is feminine. No hay muchos exámenes, because plural masculine. No hay muchos exámenes difíciles en esta clase. So here we have an adjective of quality. Again, it's plural because exámenes is plural. So quality, adjectives come after the noun. Quantity, adjectives come before the noun. Then we have bueno and malo. So bueno and malo, good and bad, those are adjectives of quality, but they are generally placed before the noun. So this is an exception to the rule. Write that down, put a star by it, something. Bueno and malo are adjectives of quality, but they generally are placed before the noun, and they shorten to buen and mal before a singular masculine noun. Okay? They only shorten before a singular masculine noun. So, for example, let's look at these different types of nouns. Él es un buen estudiante. Singular masculine student. He is a good student. It's a male student. El álgebra es una buena clase. Clase is a feminine noun, so we use buena in the feminine form. Okay, so take a minute and think, what would be some sentences or words or phrases that you could use to put these into practice? So if you want to pause your recording or stop your recording and jot down some things to put this into practice.